Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites Troy-I75. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Ideally located near the crossroads of Interstates 70 and 75, Comfort Suites Troy-I75 is within walking distance to a number of retailers, specialty stores and eateries. Local businesses like the American Honda Motor Company, F&P America Manufacturing Company, Clopay Corporation, Hobart Brothers, Goodrich Aircraft, Wheels and Brakes Division, Motoman Robotics Engineering Firm and Stillwater Technologies Corporation are minutes from this Troy-I hotel. This Ohio hotel offers features and amenities, including free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, free local calls, free manager's reception, every Monday through Thursday evening. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. If you're leaving early, a Sweet Success grab-and-go bag is available for the 2 hours prior to breakfast. Guests of this Troy-I hotel can also enjoy the indoor heated pool, hot tub and fitness center. This hotel provides corporate travelers with an on-site business center, a public computer with internet access, copy and fax service, and a meeting room that accommodates up to 48 people for most functions. Corporate travelers can also take advantage of free shuttle service to the airport and nearby companies. All spacious suites are equipped with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, curved shower rods, hair dryers, desks, flat-screen televisions, down pillows, pillow-top mattresses, irons, ironing boards, sofa sleepers, voicemail and cable television. Connecting rooms can be requested. For added convenience, this Ohio hotel has a sundry shop and laundry facilities. Valet cleaning service can be requested. Ample parking is provided and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.